Welcome to the HeightField Tracing tutorial. In D5 3.1, the displacement material now includes the HeightField Tracing algorithm. It preserves realistic surface relief while greatly reducing the performance cost, making it especially useful for large material areas and projects built with relatively low mesh density. Before we begin the walkthrough, let's look at the problem it solves. In previous versions, true displacement commonly relied on subdivision displacement. This algorithm increases mesh density. When you push the level of detail very high, the polygon count, memory use, and render time rise with it. In large scenes, using it across extensive surfaces can put substantial pressure on your hardware. HeightField Tracing offers a lighter alternative. It is ideal for surface relief such as brick, wood grain, and small gravel, where you want convincing bumps and depth without the heavy geometry cost. Next, let's use this interior scene for a practical walkthrough. First, select the wall material. In the Material panel, switch its material template to Displacement. Note that more settings cannot be expanded until a height map has been added. So start by importing a black and white height map into the height map slot. Click More Settings and enable True Displacement. Once it is enabled, notice that HeightField Tracing is the default algorithm in this new version. With this algorithm, you no longer need to adjust subdivision level. Instead, simply set the displacement height to the amount of relief you need. You can still use vertical offset to fine-tune the overall position of the displaced surface. Look closely and you can see that HeightField Tracing creates real geometric relief. Switch to wireframe mode and you will clearly see that the algorithm does not increase the model's mesh density. This keeps the workflow light and helps preserve performance. Because HeightField Tracing is not constrained by the original model topology or mesh density, it can perform better in certain situations. Let's use this scene as an example. With a brick wall material built from straight, horizontal, and vertical joints, even a very high subdivision level can still produce jagged artifacts. Switch to HeightField Tracing and the displacement becomes clean and accurate, with much higher precision. That is a major advantage of HeightField Tracing over the traditional subdivision method. By adding HeightField Tracing, D5 gives us a lighter displacement solution for large scenes without sacrificing realistic surface relief. It is not only about adding detail, it helps us strike a better balance between visual quality and performance. That concludes the D5 3.1 HeightField Tracing tutorial. See you in the next video.